A dilation is a type of transformation that stretches or shrinks the original figure. It keeps the same shape, but it has a different size. In order to do a dilation, you need a scale factor and you need a center of dilation. The scale factor is the ratio of the distance between the center of dilation and a point on the new image divided by the distance between the center of dilation and the distance of a point on the old figure. So let's look at number 1. I'm going to find the scale factor. We have two rectangles, a small one and a large one, and to figure out which one's the new figure, you look at which rectangle has primes on their letters. And so you notice that the rectangle that is larger has the primes on them. So that is going to be our new figure. So to find our scale factor, we need to find the distance between the center of dilation and one of the points on the big rectangle. So I'm going to look at the distance between my point P, which is my center of dilation, and my S prime here. And so I'm going to look at this diagonal distance here. And that is a distance of 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So my new distance is equal to 3. And then the distance between my center of dilation P and my point S, which is right here, is 1. So my scale factor is going to be 3. Notice that my scale factor is greater than 1. And so I'm going to say, let's say scale factor is a variable k. So if it is greater than 1, you are going to have a stretch, so it gets bigger. If your scale factor is less than 1, then you are going to have a shrink. It is going to get smaller. So that is a way to check your answer. So if you are dilating a picture or a figure and you know that it should be getting bigger or smaller, that's a good way of looking at it to see if you did it correctly. So let's look at number 2. Let's actually do a dilation using a scale factor and the center and having a center of dilation. So let's dilate the original triangle by a scale factor of 2. So since 2 is greater than 1, that means the image, the new figure, will be larger. And then using the point 0, -2 as the center of dilation. So 0, -2 is right here, and I'm going to put that, I'm going to label that point D for my center of dilation. That point is going to stay the same. I'm not going to be moving that point at all. So I'm going to look at how far away my original points are from my center of dilation. I'm going to look at my point Z first. So Z is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 away. So if it's being dilated by a scale factor of 2, that means instead of it being 6 away, we're going to be multiplying it by 2, so it's going to be 12 away. So I'm going to go up 12 from my center of dilation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So Z prime is going to be right there. And then I'm going to look at my Y. It is a diagonal distance of 2. So it's going to be a diagonal distance of 4 away. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So my Y prime will be there. And then I'm going to look at my X, and it is 2 away also. So it's going to be 4 away from my center of dilation. So X prime is going to be right there. And then I'm going to draw my new triangle. And an easy way to tell, to make sure that I did it correctly, is I can look at my distance of the line segment XY xy has a distance of 1, 2, 3, 4. And so after I dilated it, x prime, y prime should have a distance of 8. So let's check it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And it does. And then we already know that our z prime is correct because that is on a vertical distance.